Welcome! In front of me I have Acme ACT304 smartband, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Before we start, if you want to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this smartband, your smartband needs to be paired with a phone via the VeryFit Pro application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the VeryFit Pro application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. In the app, we need to tap on device icon to open the device page, and now let's wait until the smartband is done syncing with our phone. It might take a couple of seconds or even more. You can keep switching between home and device page to check, and once you see the info of your smartband ACT304, the firmware version and remaining battery, this means that the device is synced with your phone. Now we can tap on the more options, or rather more icon right here. Now select non-disturb mode, and here we can enable the mode by tapping on the switch, and now we can set the time range in which the Do Not Disturb mode will be active. You can tap on start time and set the time. Oh, this is the end time, first start time. And here we can set the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on. So let's set it to something like 10 AM, then end time. I'm gonna set it to like 8 PM. Okay. And once you're done, you can press the check mark to confirm and save the settings. Once it says successfully applied, your Do Not Disturb mode should be enabled. And when you wake up the screen on your band, you will see this icon right here. This means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. So if I disable it, like this, the icon will be gone. Okay. So if you want to enable it, you flip the switch, set the time range, and if you want to disable it, you flip the switch again to turn it off and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And that's how you enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.